Hey you guys, we are talking about Trendmood Volume 6. So hang out with me and let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Darla. Welcome. And if you're coming back because you're my friend, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. We are talking about Trendmood. I have not gotten one of these boxes, and I haven't even opened it. I cut this so I wouldn't be like wasting your time and camera time sitting here trying to open this up, but I haven't even opened it and I am so excited. So before I opened it, because it's been all day, I can wait like 2 more minutes. This is Trendmood. If you guys don't know what that is, she is like awesome. She's always telling us about new products coming out, new launches, and I literally look at her Instagram every day. It's awesome. She started a Trendmood box. This is volume 6, so 6 months ago now, and she has great products. Now it is a higher price point, but the products that you get inside, in my opinion, especially for volume 6, because here I have it, is worth it. So this price point is $68. And honestly, I've been watching like since she launched it, and it hasn't been the same price. So I really think it is really relevant to what's inside is what the price point is. She never like says what the price is until it's launching. So this launched on Wednesday. Hello, it's Friday. We're filming right now and I just got it. 2 days. And I didn't pay for 2 days. I didn't even pay for shipping. It was free shipping. So I was a little disappointed because you can go on and get an early code to log in. So this launched at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. You can sign up with your email and get an early code and log in at 9:30 to try and get it. Well, that's what I did. I logged in at 9:30 on the dot, and it wasn't on. You couldn't even order it. So we kept on, and 9:33 we got through and it was sold out. And I was like, what? I was disappointed. But because I have my wonderful husband that is persistent, he went back on at 10 a.m. because he was like, there's no way they're going to sell it at 9:30 and then people that are looking for the 10 a.m. launch not be able to order it. So he did that and I got the box. So just a little glitch there. I can't say it's a negative, but it was, a little, my heart went because I really, really, really am so excited about these products that are inside. So let's get into the box. So you open it up, it's packaged. So I need to get my phone to see what this is all about. Can you see this? It says scan me. So I'm gonna do that because I didn't know that was in here. So I'm gonna hold my phone, open. Okay, so what it has is all the products. That's awesome. So if you need to know anything, you don't have to look them up separately. You just scan that and it shows everything that's in the box. Brilliant. Brilliant. I'm super impressed. Super impressed, Trendmood. Trendmood is a brand that's on Instagram that really just gives you the know-all. And then Trendmood Box, which is another Instagram page, which I started following when these launched, tells you about the products that are inside this. So I watched when they packaged it on Instagram. So I'm so excited, I can't even tell you. Another thing that is super exciting about this is the majority, because she is always talking about new products coming out in the box, is mainly new products that have just launched or going to launch. So, you know, you're getting the newness too. It's not like I remember I was signed up for, I don't know, 3 of those little gifts, you know, the Allure, New Beauty, what was the other one? There was another box that I was like a monthly box that I had subscribed to, and they're way cheaper. It's not $68. It's like 15, 20 bucks or whatever. But every time I got it, one, they were sample size, which not one of these products are sample size. And they were some of the products I already had. So like that discouraged me, and I've kind of gone away from it. And then this started coming out, and I have been intrigued from the first month, but this month, okay. So I wanted to share with you the products that are in the box here. We're just gonna kind of go over what's in today. So kind of an unboxing, and then you're gonna have to come back because the next few episodes, of course, are going to be about these products. So the very first one is iDuty Niacinamide Brightening Cream from First Aid Beauty. And again, what I love about it is that they're full size. I mean, you can't buy all these products separately for 68 bucks. I can tell you that. I don't even know the price point on them, but I'm 100% sure all of this is more than $68. So needless to say, I know I've said it already, I'm excited. So there's the first product. Then we have these 3, they're called Fruit Fetish, and this is by Milani. They are a blush and lip product. So 3 different colors. I'm excited. You know, I've tried Milani. I've done some videos on them. So, you know, great brand. Then, hello, I'm wearing this right now because I'm obsessed. I'm so excited about this. This is Marc Jacobs' brand new mascara, At Lashed. I am wearing it, and now I have a backup. Sorry, I am not sharing with any of my family members on this. This is mine. I'm so excited. Fantastic mascara. If you didn't check out my episode on it, you need to, because I go through it, and I'm gonna post it up here, and you're gonna be, well, you're gonna have to buy it, I guess, because it's so good. Next, we have the LILLY lashes. And this is an eyeliner that's magnetic with false eyelashes. Now, I had a video on a different brand, which I can't even remember the brand right now because it was a flop. I sucked. It was like so bad. I couldn't even get it on. It was terrible. So I'm praying and hoping that this is much better because I wear liquid liner all the time. So if this can be, you know, a double duty like I wanted the other one to be, that would be fabulous. So there is that one. Then we have NABLA, and there are 2 products in here. One is new and one is, it's kind of been out a while. This is the new. Oh, so beautiful. Look at those. I mean, come on. They're gorgeous. I don't even want to touch them. So that is it's called NABLA Miami Lights. So there is that. And then also, again, did I say full size? Because these are all full size. The shadow palette, which is right here. NABLA, it's Secret Palette. And look at the colors. They're just so beautiful. I can't wait. I cannot wait. It's like Christmas. And guess what? You guys are gonna have to wait till volume 7 because I'm telling you, this thing sells out every month. I have been watching. Like I said, I have been watching. This is the liner that goes with the lashes. I held that up. So there's the lashes, which, man, they are Vavoom. I'm gonna try them though. And then this is the liner that goes with it. And then we have, so this is called Makeup Eraser. This is literally the only product in the whole box that I'm like, I don't know. So it is a cloth. And what it's supposed to do is erase your makeup. But if any of you have watched my videos for any length of time, I am a skincare girl. So when I say that it is makeup eraser, in fact, some of my friends bought this. This has been out a while. And they're like, oh my gosh, you gotta try it. It's awesome. It just takes off your makeup. I don't think any cloth just takes off your makeup. So, you know, I will probably use it as a cloth. I don't know if I can bring myself to just use it to take off my makeup. I'll probably have some cleanser on it, but we'll see. I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you know, if it's like life-changing. Then we have the sponge, and it is also by Makeup Eraser. What is so cool about this sponge is it's machine washable and it has a lifespan of 6 months. That intrigues me. So it has all these checks here. Machine washable, non-toxic dye, no special cleanser, reusable, lasts up to 6 months, wet or dry application, saves money. Which, I mean, I'm gonna agree with all of those, and I haven't even tried it, but if it's like literally washable, because I've had some sponges that they just fall apart. So I will try that out, and the packaging's super cute too. I will try that out and let you know. So that is the end of the box. I don't know if I said this at the beginning, but maybe I did. I am so impressed with the shipping. You know, we have been on this stay at home or, our new normal type of thing. For you guys that are back at work, I'm so excited for you, but some of us still are not. And, we've done a lot of ordering online and shipping. And I can tell you right now, like I ordered some hair extensions. I finally got them. It was like 6 weeks and I don't like them. Now I want to return it, but I don't even know if I want to go through the hassle. But, it's just so nice that I got this on Wednesday, ordered it on Wednesday, and literally showed up at my door today. So that is exciting. I mean, I think she lives in LA, so that might be one reason. If you guys are in the middle or East Coast part of the country, it might not be coming as fast to you, but I'm right here, so I got it quick and I was so excited. So there is the unboxing. I know I didn't really go through the products, but that means you've got to come back and visit me. So you take care, have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.